Hello everyone, I am Vishnu CH, currently studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, branch CSE CY. Today we are going to talk about the topic Introduction to Proteins. So first let us come to the introduction. Proteins are the building blocks of life, responsible for a vast array of essential functions in the human body. They are complex macromolecules composed of amino acids, and their unique structures and properties enable them to perform critical roles in biological processes. Now let us come to the definition of proteins. Proteins are large, complex biomolecules that serve as the building blocks of all living organisms. They are composed of long chains of amino acids, which are organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Proteins play a crucial role in the structure, function, and regulation of the body's tissues and organs. Amino acids, building blocks of protein. Proteins are composed of smaller organic compounds called amino acids. These amino acids are the fundamental building blocks that combine in various sequences to form the diverse range of proteins found in living organisms. There are 20 standard amino acids that can be joined together in countless permutations to create the unique three-dimensional structure and functions of proteins. Primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary structures of proteins. First, primary structure. Primary structure is the sequence of amino acid that make up the protein molecule held together by peptide bonds. This linear sequence is the foundation for the protein's 3D shape and functions. Now let us come to the second one, that is secondary structure. The secondary structure describes the local 3D shape of portions of the protein, such as alpha helix and beta sheets, stabilized by hydrogen bonds between the amino acid backbone. Now let us come to the third one, that is tertiary structure. The tertiary structure is the overall 3D shape of the entire protein molecule, formed by interactions between different parts of the primary sequence, including ionic, hydrogen, and disulfide bonds. Now let us come to the last one, that is quaternary structure. Some proteins are composed of multiple polypeptide chains, known as subunits. The quaternary structure describes how these subunits are arranged and held together to form the complete functional protein. Protein folding and its importance. The folding process. Proteins fold into unique three-dimensional structures determined by their amino acid sequence. This folding process is complex and critical for a protein to function properly. Importance of proper folding. Correct folding allows proteins to adopt the right shape to bind to specific targets and carry out their biological roles such as catalyzing reactions or transporting molecules. Now, consequences of misfolding. Misfolded proteins can lose their function or aggregate, leading to various diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and Huntington's. Maintaining proper protein folding is essential for health. Folding assistance. Chaperone protein help guide the folding process and prevent misfolding. Proper folding is also influenced by the cellular environment, temperature, and presence of cofactors. Protein functions: structural, enzymatic, transport, and regulatory. Structural proteins. Proteins like collagen and actin provide structural support and shape to cells and tissues, giving organisms their form and stability. Enzymatic proteins. Enzymes are specialized proteins that catalyze essential biochemical reactions, accelerating processes like digestion, metabolism, and cellular respiration. Transport proteins. Proteins shuttle vital molecules, ions, and nutrients across cell membranes, regulating the movement of substance in and out of cells. Regulatory proteins. Regulatory proteins control and coordinate complex biological processes by activating or inhibiting the function of other proteins in the body. Protein denaturation and its effects. Structural changes. Protein denaturation disrupts the complex three-dimensional structure of protein, causing them to unfold or unravel. Loss of function. When protein denature, they often lose their biological activity and can no longer perform their intended function. Causes of denaturation. Factors like heat, pH changes, chemical agents, or physical stress can all contribute to the denaturation of proteins. Dietary source of proteins. Proteins can be obtained from a variety of food sources, including meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Animal based proteins are typically considered complete as they contain all the essential amino acids needed by the body. Plant based proteins, such as those found in beans, lentils, and quinoa, are often considered incomplete but can be combined to form complete protein sources. Protein deficiency and its consequences. Malnutrition. Inadequate protein intake can lead to malnutrition, weakening the immune system and leaving the body susceptible to infections. Stunted growth. Children with protein deficiency may experience stunted growth and developmental delays, impacting their physical and cognitive abilities. Edema. Severe protein deficiency can cause fluid buildup and swelling, a condition known as edema, which is a serious health concern. Importance of protein in human health. Growth and development. Protein are essential for building and repairing tissues, including muscle, bones, organs, and skin, supporting healthy growth and development throughout life. Second, immune functions. Many proteins serve as antibodies, helping the body fight off infections and illness, keeping the immune system strong and resilient. Energy production. Protein can be broken down to provide calories and fluid fuel the body's cells, contributing to overall energy levels and stamina. Hormone regulation. Certain proteins act as hormone, playing crucial role in regulating metabolism, growth, sexual function, and other important bodily processes.